I want to tell you a secret, a top secret. Shall I? I will, but only one thing is that you should not share this secret with anyone. Can you do this for me? I'm sure you will, because all of you have attended my training programs. You are friends of mine on WhatsApp, Facebook. You follow me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and also YouTube channel. I'm sure you say, Jay sir, definitely we are going to keep the secret with us. But what is a secret? As long as something is in my heart, it's a secret. The moment I have spoken it out, it's no longer the secret. When I don't have control over myself in holding on to the secret, how ridiculous it will be to expect you that you will hold a secret for me. Just not possible. And I am having this fist closed. As long as I keep this closed, you are very curious to know what is inside. A ruby, a diamond, an emerald. You will be roaming around me to know what is inside. You will be giving a lot of importance. But the moment I open it up, and you know there's only one 2 rupee coin, and you will drop me from sky to the floor. Whether it's a magic secret, memory technique, or secret of your business or political secret, anything that you spill it out, then your life will become an open book for everyone. You tend to become very cheap. But normally we human beings, what we happen is we go through hurdles, obstacles, sometimes failures, and you are little upset. You look for a solace, a shoulder to lean on to, little bit of empathy, and then maybe it could be a family member, it could be a friend, it could be a colleague. Think that they will show little sympathy, and by speaking out to that person, maybe your burden will come down. At that moment, it will become perfectly okay. But the moment you leave that place, this guy, when he meets the second person, he's going to talk about exactly the thing that you spoken. Because it is proven that when two people meet, they talk about third person who is not there, that too bad about that person. This is a proven psychological fact. And who cares whether you have a problem or not? This world, it doesn't care whether you are alive or dead. Daily in India, 90,000 people plus are getting affected with COVID. You and I are not affected because it means nothing to me. Whether Jaisima is alive make a difference for you. At the most, you say, RIP, sorry, I really want to help you, but then don't care. This is the world that we are living in. 10% people, they don't care. They're totally indifferent whether you have a problem or not. Rest of the 90% people are glad that you have a problem. They are very glad that you have a problem. They think, oh, so far I was only thinking I had a problem. You too have, suffer more. And what we have? Emotional problem you have. Business loss you are going through. Financial mess that you are into. Relationship breakdown that you are facing. And you try and share. And this thing that you are sharing with someone, that will become the weakness of yours, which people will use it. Have you not experienced this? That any politician, when they are in the party, they have grown up in high positions, they enjoy power, they even become ministers, they become MLAs, MPs, but the moment they leave this party, they join the other party, maybe some individual differences, ideological differences, or maybe that guy is not getting importance. The moment they go to the other party, and they will spill the entire thing on the floor. Yes or no? And they'll totally insult you. I would not experience this, because most of the time we learn lessons through different training programs, people that we meet, books that we read. But then yesterday I learned a lesson for myself, that how we should never share anything with anyone. People don't want to know, and never expose your vulnerability. That's why I've seen in films, Any film star, maybe he doesn't have films at hand, maybe he doesn't have money, but then they put makeup, they wear a wig, they put a nice beautiful shirt, tie, coat, they come to a five-star hotel, films, fair awards, nice beautiful car. What do you think they do? This is psychological reason. The moment you show that you don't have a movie, you don't have money, people will totally disregard you. Rajinikanth is one such person. He can afford to go with bald head, with white beard, without makeup to any function. He is one such person who doesn't care. Abdul Kalam, yeah, very proudly we say that when he walked out of Rashtrapati Bhavan, he had only just 2 suitcases full of books and clothes, and he doesn't have money. But really, is that going to work? Anil Ambani, such a rich guy. He was a darling of the crowd. Any party, he will be there. But today, his company is in doldrums. He has got a lot of, financial difficulties. And who cares for him? Nobody cares. Hence, as a soldier, when you have a shield in front of you, now that shield will protect you. The moment you take out the shield, any bullet from anywhere, from any enemy, they can come and hit you. The Yodha Karna, when he had Kavach and Kundal, and he was unbeatable. But the moment he gave away, in good spirit, then what happened? Arjuna could kill him. So similarly, you need to keep everything to yourself, because this world will frighten you. When you are meek, when you are scared, when you are afraid, even a puppy dog will chase you. But the moment you stand firm and you look back and you stare right into the eyes of the dog will be taken aback. It will stand still, and in fact it will turn back, and folding its tail, it will run away. The world is like that. The more you get scared, the more it will scare you. But if you stand firm, right, and talk, then they will be scared. During Corona, many of my colleagues, they ask me, how is the business? Normally what my colleague says, no, due to COVID, no public workshops are happening. We are spending so much money on Facebook ads. Online programs are not happening. We have a lot of bills to pay. Yes, when you say rest of the trainers, they will tell, oh, not only I am not having program, but even he don't have a program. Now tell me, yes, I got my office rent to pay. I got my salaries to be cleared. Okay, I need to pay. Will you come and give any money to me? Okay, will anyone will come? Nobody. In fact, no father, no mother, no wife, no brother, no sister, no son, no daughter, no friend, nobody will come to you. Finally, it is you who has to walk through your life, right? Understand this. So this is the world that we are living into. So never ever, show your weak moment to anyone. Out of goodwill, you may share. You may think that you have that faith. But the day any relationship, goes wrong, the same thing that you have shared in good faith will become a weapon in the hands of other person. So never tell your problems to anyone, because nobody cares. Now this is the truth. This is the fact. Always anything good, anything that will make people envious, it will make people jealous, and then which is the most proudest and happiest moment. Now that only you should talk. People should get scared. Oh my God, I am having so much problem, and this guy is so happy. They should be scared. Never ever give this impression to anyone that you are in difficulty, you are in problem, you are in a mess, because nobody except you who will come to your rescue finally. You are born alone, you are living alone, you will die alone. All this, the whole world is mithya. Means what? It's only a myth. It's all our imagination that there is someone who can actually, fall back upon. That's why always keep the secret to yourself. Never ever tell anyone anything to do with your personal or professional or business or any secret of yours to anyone. And problems never to be told to anyone, because even if you say, it is not going to help. Maybe you can go to this wall. Maybe I can stand in front of the camera. Maybe I can talk to myself in the mirror and maybe I can find some solace, because there's no one who can be a better friend than you for you. So the secret that I'm trying to tell you is, don't tell your secrets to anyone. Keep it close, and especially if you are facing any problem, don't tell anyone. This is a lesson that I have learned in last few days, and I thought it might be of some help to you, right? I don't know. You need to think how is it going to help you, right? So thank you so much. Jai Sima signing off. Bye bye.